Hello everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The wrapping gift we are making today is specifically for girls. She may be your girlfriend, best friend or your sister. So here you can see what the material required for this gift. So let's start. First of all, let's measure 16 centimeter for breadth and remove the leftover. Each line have the distance of 5 cm plus 1 cm. As same I am doing here. Use pencil for mark the lines and fold according to the lines you have marked. As I have done. Now stick double-sided tape on the 1 cm paper, and for the length fold 5.5 cm for each. Now again use double-sided tape at the place where I am using, same as like this. Now it's time to put the stuffs you wanna gift her. Now you can remove the cover of the tape. Very calmly stick the paper to the both sides. Now cut the edges in the crisscross pattern as we have seen in the wrapping of toffees. Now we would use heart sticker to enhance the look of the gift. Do as same for all. So are you ready for the final result? Thank you so much for watching my video.